Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how you can download YouTube videos in 2025. So if you want to download YouTube video in 2025, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open up your YouTube app on your phone. Once you open it, then you can scroll to navigate to the exact video you wish to download. So you can just tap on this three dot icon right beside the title of the video, or you tap on the video. So I'm just going to use this first method, which tap on the three dots beside it, then just tap on download. Then right here you can set the download quality for your video. You can choose the medium or the low quality. Then if you're also a premium user, if you're a premium, because you're under premium, you can also select the full HD or the I, which also comes with high resolution of consuming data. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.